and it'll do as a summation. We'll actually bring it over from the machine over there, and it'll graph. This is a normal ear, though. We're getting a really good graph on this ear.
Can I have that yellow folder, please?
You can have whatever you want.
Wilson.
Wilson. Hey, baby.
Okay, left.
Yes.
Okay, so I need to locate it first.
Yep. Start the right ear while she's messing with that one, so that looks great.
Wilson.
So
Bilateral.
well, I'm working on the right ear right now.
Wilson, Wilson, Wilson. He says, I don't want to be patient.
Wilson.
I don't want to be patient.
Oh, he's getting a kiss from the doctor.
It's okay, you're almost done, I promise, okay?
You're on video.
I'll go back to my
Please don't
friend.
video me.
You're going to be on YouTube.